What's the meaning of cell? Cell. Cell.
Cell. Cell. The term cell has various meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In biology, a cell refers to the basic unit of life that is capable of carrying out all the functions necessary for an organism's survival. In technology, cell typically refers to a basic unit of a spreadsheet or a mobile phone network. In prison, a cell is a small room where inmates are housed. In general, a cell can be understood as a small unit that forms part of a larger system or structure, and it often functions as a building block or container.